Dear Pixie, you asked us if we could speak of religion. For us to talk about the different religions on your planet is counterproductive to your development and is irrelevant to your ascension process. We can, however, speak of how one should view religion, or any philosophy or belief of another. The key words here are unity and respect. No matter what religious belief another has, even if you feel it is in opposition to your own, it should be respected. Each human on earth has their own personal space around them. This we know as your energetic, electromagnetic, electrical field system. This is an extension of your chakras and contains imprints from all physical and light bodies. You may simply feel this as personal space. This personal space, these boundaries that you have, are how you understand your own self. It is very important to understand your own self, for as you learn about yourself, you learn of the cosmos and the one source energy, you learn of God. Therefore, the more you travel within, the more you travel without. In order to allow this discovery of self, and thus of the universal forces, to be completed in balance, one must have understanding of one's own boundaries. Therefore, if you are not ready to receive new information, then that simply is exactly as it is. You are not ready. Therefore, it is not moving forward in harmony with your brothers and sisters to try to force beliefs upon them that they are not ready to receive, or that they may have already evaluated within their own personal research and dismissed as not relevant to them. This is valid. One can coexist within a planet whereby each being, or groups of beings, share different beliefs. This coexisting is only possible, however, where mutual respect is practiced. We say to you now, let others freely express their beliefs and opinions without you becoming angry or fearful of their beliefs. We say to you now, respect others' opinions, philosophies, and beliefs as they are part of another person. That other person in another dimension is you, and therefore so are their beliefs. Respect and honor the space of another, and that includes what they believe in, even when you disagree. We say to you now that all religions and all philosophical and scientific paths can lead to enlightenment and truth, but only when this individual path is taken whilst respecting and embracing the path of your brothers and sisters also. If you embrace one path and believe it to be the only right path that there is, and you go about trying to convince others that their path is wrong and yours is right, then you violate that person's personal space, and this is working against universal law. All paths are valid. It is your free will to choose which path to take. Or you may devise your own path, or feel that you are not walking any path. Whichever you choose to do, we tell you there is enlightenment and universal truth waiting for you if you take this path without violating another's personal space. Therefore, one can be agnostic, Christian, pagan, or Buddhist, or may embrace any religion or all religions. There are truths leading to enlightenment and oneness with the divine within all these paths. We are not here to teach you our beliefs or to get you to change your religion and follow us. We are here to guide you and to show you how you can raise your consciousness and move into a dimension where this kind of unity we speak of now exists. This place of unity is waiting for you. It is known by many names: Nirvana, fifth density, heaven, Whichever name you wish to refer to it as, they are all valid. You have such energy, you humans. This energy can be used for healing each other and healing your precious planet Earth. Yet this energy has been wasted on meaningless arguments between you about which religion or philosophy is the right one. We tell you now that there is no one right religion or philosophy. Any and all are right and correct if followed privately, personally, or in groups of mutually respectful fellow humans. Pixie, you asked us if another person was valid in believing their job was to expose evil. We tell you that there is honor in wanting to do this, much honor. However, we tell you again, from our perspective, there is no evil, only polarity. That which you refer to as evil is a negative polarity that shall attract more negative polarity. There is no need for anyone to try to expose this negative polarity being, unless they are causing harm to others. It is natural to want to protect your fellow humans, and if a person is a danger to others by their negative behaviours, then one is permitted and indeed is advised to take action where necessary. But before one does this, one must establish if this person really is a danger to others or is causing harm in some way. If someone feels that exposing evil is to speak up against someone else who talks publicly of spirituality or religion, then this cannot possibly cause harm to another person. For each person has the free will which religion or path to follow, and it is not possible for another person to lead them astray. Each person is responsible for their own beliefs and their own actions. We cannot tell others, Pixie, that you, our conduit, speaks truth or wisdom. We have said this before. It is only others who resonate within when they hear these words that shall discover this. And you, who resonates within now, already knew these truths prior to hearing them spoken from the lips of another. Therefore we say to you, follow your hearts and your beliefs and your religions and philosophies. But whichever path you choose, look deep within to the truths inside, for they all teach the way. The way is that of love, of unity, of forgiveness, of acceptance, and of service to others. We are the white-winged collective consciousness of 9.